What's up, guys? Today I'm working on a 2006 Ford E350. That's the cargo vans. I'm changing the transmission shift cable. This is the old cable. Someone stole the catalytic converter, and in the process of doing so, they damaged the transmission shift cable, which is right by the catalytic converter. Uh, so this is what we have here. So to get started, well, this is pretty much putting in the new cable. But even before you got here, to take the panel off, there is 1-2 screw that goes right here on the panel, and then you just use like I guess a panel tool to slide behind the panel and take it off all the way around here. When you get to this point right here, you take this knob, you take this out first, and then you'll see this is gonna be behind it. So this right here is threaded. So for this, you actually have to screw this out, because you keep pulling the panel is not gonna move, because this is gonna be screwed in right here. So you take that out. This is your instrument cluster right here. There is 4 screws that hold this in on the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Take those 4 screws out, and this comes out. You have the this right here, your shift, I guess your shift location, I guess, park, drive, whatever. This is at the bottom of the instrument cluster. So it's just 2 tabs. 1, 2. You just squeeze them in like this right here. 1 on the other side, the same thing, and this pops out from the bottom of this right here. Other than that, we have you have to take off the bottom panel from this right here, and the top. In order to get the top off, you will need to remove this right here, because this will be over this, so you have to pull this up first before you can take the panel off. When you're doing it, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then in order to access the cable in the back, there is 4 sets of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 over there, and there's like a little bracket, 2 brackets right here that holds this down. And then actually there's a 3rd bracket with 2 screws, 1 there and 1 over here, to take this off. So in all, there's 3 brackets that holds down the, I guess, the shifter. So once you do that, then you can move this shifter freely. So the actual cable, the end of the cable, well, I have the old cable here. The end of the cable, I guess, is like an eye, and it connects to the end of the shifter, which has like a little ball. Honestly, that was the hardest part of this whole thing, getting the cable routed back and snapped into the end. Let me try to see if I can show you what I'm talking about. It is all the way at the end. So that's it right there, that little ball. yeah, you can see the cable. So yeah, that's it right there. That little eye that I was showing, it connects to a little ball, I guess, at the end of the shifter. So that's gonna be the most challenging part, for me at least. So in order for me to get it on like that, what I did, I pretty much put the eye over the little ball, and then so this, I guess this is what I call the eye. I put this over the little, let's say this is the ball. I put it over the ball and hold it, and then I use the back, I guess this metal right here, as a brace. So once the eye is over the ball, I then hold the shifter and pull the shifter this way, using the back of this bracket right here as a brace, if that makes sense. So let's say this is let's assume the steering wheel is the brace in the back right here. Or actually, I can kind of show it like this. So let's assume this the back of the brace is right here. Once this is over the ball, I then pull the shifter using this as support, pulling this way so that the ball snaps through the back of this right here. And then the cable pretty much just runs, well, you'll see where the old cable comes, but this is pretty much it right here, and it goes through behind here, and it goes to the bottom. To the bottom. So yeah, this is the new one, and that's the catalytic converter that somebody stole. Cut it off. These guys. But yeah, then all you have to do afterwards is, I'm not there as yet, but all you have to do is take, well, this is the old one, take the old one off, put this on, snap it in, and you should be good. So yeah, hopefully this helps someone with this problem. There's a lot of videos out there, but you know, I still wanted to share my experience with this. So hopefully this helps someone with this problem. All right.